Okay guys, here's another video of mine about the Mini. For people who want to find all the creaks, I found an interesting one. I think this one happens when the weather is cold, but I haven't found the source yet, so let me show you. If you push around this area, sprayed a bit in with WD-40, but it doesn't go away. And I tried the other side also. Of course, this doesn't happen too much if you have the door panel on it, but there still is a light creaking noise. So if anybody has any ideas, let me know. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe for more videos about the Mini. Thank you. Bye bye.